to part 2. So, last step was conditioner. We're going to rub it in the middle everywhere, even on the other side. If you need to take some out, that's good. Okay, now we're going to mix. Okay. What else is missing? Comment down below what else is missing and comment if this worked for you. See the 2 different colors? What do you think is missing? The food dye. Yes. I'll be right back. I'll go grab it. Okay, I'm back. So, we've done pink. I'm going to do blue to make it a cotton candy. So, let's get it. That looks nice. Try not to get on your skin because this happened last time to me. Then oh, look at it. It's like an, oh no, like an ocean buttery. That's the stuff. Sorry. Okay, just gonna let that sit for a bit. It's better as soon as you get it on. Better just as soon as start wiping after. Start mixing. Now, I'm going to add a bit more conditioner in. I use my parents' stuff. Okay, and that's how you make the slime. Woo, look how long it is.